timing and composition of last meal before bedtime affect sleep parameters of night workers.
In this presentation, our goal is to offer you a quick summary of the research and conclusions. Please follow the links to review the research and further details. Thanks to all the authors and publishers for making this research public, thereby advancing science and innovation. Please like, share, and subscribe.
Night workers tend to eat irregularly, both in terms of mealtime and composition. The disruption in energy metabolism caused by inappropriate eating habits can negatively affect the sleep quality of these individuals. The objective of this study were to determine the intervals between the last meal and bedtime and its relationship with both diurnal and nocturnal sleep parameters, as well as to evaluate the association of the adequacy of this meal with sleep parameters.
The analyses were carried out for a usual sleep routine on a workday and a day off. This cross-sectional study was part of a controlled, randomized, double-blind, crossover clinical trial. The sample comprised of 30 female nursing professionals who worked permanent night shifts of 12 to 36 hours. Timing and composition of the last meal were obtained from food diaries, and sleep parameters were collected via actinography.
On multiple linear regression analyses, every hour decreased in the interval between the last meal and sleep onset, there was an increase of 0.3 hours on diurnal sleep duration. Regarding food intake, every 1 gram of fat and 1 gram of carbohydrate consumed was associated with an increase in diurnal sleep onset latency of 0.13 hours and 0.02 hours respectively. In summary, these findings suggest that both timing the composition of the last meal before bedtime may be potential key factors for good diurnal and nocturnal sleep among night shift workers.